Hi there, welcome to APES Chapter 14 lecture video part 3. This video is just to show you how to do the math problems involving LD50 or the lethal dosage that kills 50% of the population. Generally, when you're given an LD50 value, an LD50 value is given to you like this. It's given to you in an amount of poison, in this case, mold in food, 5 milligrams of poison per 1 kilogram rat. So when they test poisons, they test them on rats. A 1 kilogram rat, it's a little over 2 pounds, 2.1 something pounds. So 2.2 pounds, I believe, is a 1 kilogram rat. So a 1 kilogram rat, 5 milligrams of poison would kill 50% of 1 kilogram rats, basically, because it's the lethal dosage that kills 50. Well, we are humans. We are not rats. And we cannot test this on humans because they will die in the process. So what do? We test it on a rat, and then we extrapolate that information. We convert it out to what the weight of a human would be. So here's two fractions. You make two equalities. What you got here is 5 milligrams of poison, okay, 1 kilogram of rat on the bottom. I gave you the problem. An average adult male weighs about 175 pounds. The problem is this is in kilograms of rat, and that's 175 pounds of male. So the step I did first is I converted 175 times it by 0.454 and turned it into 79.45 kilograms. So now I have kilograms of male, so I can basically compare kilograms of male to kilograms of rat. So we put 79.54 kilograms of man or male here on the bottom here. All right. On the top here, we want to know the amount of poison, X milligrams of poison will kill a man. All right. So what you do to solve for X here, you cross multiply and divide. Divide by 1 is nice. So you do 79.54 times 5 divided by 1, and X gets you 397.7 milligrams. So to kill a human being, they would need to ingest an average, 50% of the humans or males that weigh 175 pounds, to kill 50% of them, it would take about 397.7 milligrams of that bread mold, for example, to be ingested in one sitting. All right, so that's what we're calculating. Here's another type. The LD50 of DDT, it's a banned insecticide. It was banned in the United States, is 100 milligrams per 1 kilogram lab rat. So there you go, 100 milligrams of poison, 1 kilogram lab rat. That's my first equality. What is the LD50 for an 80 kilogram male? So 80 goes on the bottom here. X is milligrams of poison. That's what we're solving for. You cross multiply, 80 times 100 divided by 1 gives you 8,000 milligrams of DDT per person will kill an adult average male. All right, here's a different one. The LD50 of sodium chloride table salt is 3,000. And by the way, this is a big number. That means it's not very toxic. So the higher the LD50 value, the less it is toxic. So this is salt. 3,000 milligrams per 1 kilogram lab rat. All right. So that's a lot of salt. Let's think about it from basic numbers. Look at this conversion here. Each milligram, 1,000 milligrams is 1 gram. So this is saying 3 grams of sodium will kill a 1 kilogram rat. Think of it that way, because our final answer needs to be in grams per person. So that's why I'm showing you that. All right. So 3,000 milligrams per 1 kilogram rat will kill 50% of the rat population. So let's extrapolate it for humans. In this case, we're doing it for an average American female. Oh, it says male there. That's by accident. So this is an average American female. This is not a male. 77 kilograms. I just looked that up. 77 kilograms of an average American female. So 77 down there. X milligrams of poison. We cross multiply and divide. 77 times 3,000 gets you 231,000 milligrams per female. I want the answer in grams per female. Okay, grams per female in this case. So I need to divide it by 1,000 to get grams. So the answer ends up being 231 grams per female, or per person in this case, of salt to kill 50% of the women in that weight range. All right. That will conclude today's lecture.